How do you test a CDI unit? If you have ever wondered how to check if your capacitor discharge ignition unit is working properly, you are in the right place. Testing a CDI unit is essential for maintaining your boat's performance. A faulty CDI can lead to engine troubles, so knowing how to test it can save you time and money. Let's break down the steps you can take to ensure your CDI unit is functioning as it should. First, start with a visual inspection. Look at the CDI unit and its wiring for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Also, check the ignition coil and spark plugs, as these components can affect the spark performance too. If everything looks good, you can move on to the next step. If you have access to multiple engines or spare CDI units, consider swap testing. Replace the suspected faulty CDI with a known good one. If the engine still has issues, the CDI unit may not be the problem. This method can help you pinpoint the issue quickly. Next, perform a spark test. Remove one spark plug and reconnect it to the ignition wire. Ground the spark plug against the engine block and crank the engine. Watch for a strong and consistent spark. If there is no spark or it appears weak, this could indicate a problem with the CDI or the ignition system. For a more precise test, use a digital voltometer with a CDI digital volt adapter. This tool measures the voltage pulses generated by the CDI unit. Connect the adapter according to the manufacturer's instructions and check the peak voltage output. Compare your readings to the specifications for your engine's CDI unit. If the output is low or non-existent, the CDI is likely faulty. You can also use specialized testers and harnesses designed for marine applications. These tools can help you test the CDI unit and related sensors effectively. They allow for both bench testing and on-engine testing of ignition components, including timing and kill circuits. Speaking of kill circuits, some CDI units have this feature to stop the engine when activated. Using a test harness, you can isolate and check this circuit to ensure it is not causing any issues. Keep in mind that testing a CDI unit requires some electrical knowledge and the right tools. If you are unsure or lack the necessary equipment, consulting a marine mechanic is a wise choice. Regular maintenance of ignition components, including spark plugs and wiring, can help prevent CDI-related problems. When considering boat modifications or upgrades, make sure your CDI unit is compatible with other ignition system components. This compatibility is vital for reliable operation and optimal performance on the water. By following these steps, you can effectively test your CDI unit and keep your boat running smoothly.